What we sleep on decides how we sleep. It's simple. For most of human history, it wasn't foam, it wasn't springs, it wasn't memory gel. It was the ground. I want this video to communicate that our conception of sleep posture has been limited by shifting baselines. Somewhere along the line, we forgot that. We started placing beds on the ground instead of being on the ground. It's like only seeing one part of the color spectrum. You think everything is blue, but you're missing all the other wavelengths. So the meat of this video is on this paper by Dr. Michael Tetley, Instinctive Sleeping and Resting Postures. It's kind of like the Weston A. Price of sleep posture. He studied how non-industrial societies and non-human primates actually rest. And the pattern's super clear. Humans evolved sleeping on hard or barely padded surfaces. That makes sense, right? Like Tempur-Pedic is not a common feature in nature. So what Tetley found in the field was not stiffness, it was alignment. Firm ground literally guides your body into stable and instinctive postures. You're gonna wake up ready to move, not stiff, not creaky. He documented a whole bunch of natural postures, and I'm sure there's more. This is just what he saw in the field. The most common was side lying with your arm under your head, your knees bent. Semi-prone, kind of like between side and stomach. Prone on your forearms for a quick nap. Even heel sitting and squatting for short rests or staying warm. My favorite one he called quadrupedal lying. I see my dog do that a lot. All of them share this one thing in common, which is gentle muscle tension. Balanced bones, not cushions, are doing support work. Now compare that to what we call comfort. You got the soft mattresses, you got the tall pillows, all the stuff that looks cozy in the advertisements.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
It's not even that they let your hips sink, your spine sag, and your neck is cranked. It's depriving your body of the signals that it needs to realign itself during sleep, to correct and adapt. So you're gonna fall asleep and wake up with pain. Even with zero gravity beds, they're just trying to simulate what your body has the capability and awareness to do already. And it's a poor simulation. We are engineering out nature. So this is where I think it's so cool. In those firm side-lying postures, your body is actively doing alignment work. The muscles, when you sleep, keep a light tone. It's like cables in a tensegrity structure. Every time you breathe, you're expanding the ribs and you're decompressing your spine. It keeps your structure active, not collapsed. I'm gonna link a second paper down there. It's by Donald Ingber, Architecture of Life. It's about how our fascia works as a built-in tensegrity system. And obviously it's gonna be a future video. But it's relevant here, so I'm linking it below. Tetley just noticed it in the field by watching people sleep on the ground. Depending on where you live, the surface also shifts with the seasons. In hot, humid places, people sleep in hammocks. They're breathable, they're firm enough to align with the spine, and you don't have this deep sinking of specific parts of your body. In colder climates, you're gonna add hides or mattresses for warmth, not softness. The principle is the same. It's all about posture, it's not padding. You don't need a luxury bed to sleep well. A firm mat, thin pillow, even a properly hung hammock. They'll help you find your body's natural geometry. It has nothing to do with asceticism, it's just anatomical. Tetley's message is very simple. If we want our backs to work like they used to, we should probably sleep like we used to. Hard surface, neutral spine, instinctive posture. That's real sleep tech. This is Acre, Techfluid. Stay sharp, sleep well.